Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to offer discounts on your courses without manually adjusting prices? Let me show you how to create coupons in Teachable. First, go to Products in your left sidebar. Select the course you want to add a coupon to, or create one that works across multiple courses. Click the Coupons tab, then New Coupon. Give it a name for internal tracking, like Summer Sale 2026. Set your discount type. Choose percentage off or fixed amount off, like 20% off or $10 off. Now set usage limits. You can limit total uses or uses per customer. Add an expiration date to create urgency. Create a unique code like PODCAST2026 so you can track which channel drives sales. Use different codes for email, social media, and affiliates. Once everything is set, click Save. Your coupon is now live. Students enter the code at checkout to get their discount. You can view all coupons in your admin panel, see how many times each has been used and how much revenue it's generated, and that's it. Coupons let you run promotions, track marketing performance, and reward loyal students. If you create a coupon, let me know what discount you offered in the comments. See you in the next one.